Hi guys, so I'm so excited for this haul because we went to a designer outlet and yeah, I got some really nice stuff from M&S, and then I've got a few different bits from other places as well. I feel like I've not been to a designer outlet in maybe, must be at least 2 years. So yeah, I like going because I feel like I treat myself to different things whilst I'm there, because my normal shops, i.e. Primark, and the bargain shops aren't there. Although I do love them, it's nice to go and shop somewhere different. So yeah, I'll start off with the M&S stuff because I got most of the bits from there. They had loads of sort of beauty bits and cleaning bits on offer there, and I totally recommend going there instead of to the actual store because I think they're a lot more expensive in store. So I picked up the body wash, the Lifeology one, and this is in grapefruit and ruby orange, and oh my goodness, this smells absolutely amazing. The prices of these were similar to what you get into the bargain shops, so like B&M and Home Bargains. So this, for example, was £1.75 or £2, yeah, super cheap, and I absolutely love the smell of this. So it definitely smells more orangey, but then it has a slight hint of grapefruit, so it's just a very fresh, clean smell. So I loved it that much. I also picked up the soap, and the soap was definitely £2. I think that was £1.75. This was £2, and yeah, this, I do love the packaging on it, but we do have a soap dispenser, so that will be going in there. Then maybe a little bit of a risk actually, I bought some shampoo and conditioner because these were also on offer. These were £1.75. I just love the colour of the packaging, so obviously it's like cream beige, so very trendy. It will match our bathroom, and it is in coconut and almond. I do love coconut this time of year, it's very holiday-y, isn't it? So yeah, picked up the shampoo and the matching conditioner for £1.75 each. I thought I'm going to give them a go. I did get some shampoo and conditioner from M&S before. In fact, let me show you which one. I picked these up before from the actual store, and I think they were £7 or £9 each, and they're from the apothecary range. The shampoo and conditioner themselves are very nice. They're very thick, they feel very luxurious. The smell is a little bit more grown up than say what you'd get in other shops. They do feel very luxury for the price that you get, although my hair, as you know, I do talk about it all the time, it is very, very frizzy naturally, so I wouldn't say that they control my frizz any better. But I found these bottles really, really difficult to use because they're really stiff bottles, and to get the product out you really have to squeeze them. So sometimes I actually struggle to dispense out of these bottles, and I did love the look of them, but yeah, they're just too difficult for me to use. So I'm hoping these ones will be a little bit easier. And then whilst in M&S, I did pick myself up some knickers. So I got myself 5 high leg microfiber and lace, made with recycled polyester knickers. Yeah, they're just sort of basic black knickers basically, but they've got a nice bit of lace trim on them. They feel, they almost feel a little bit silky, but yeah, they've just got a really, really pretty bit of black lace that goes all the way around the legs as well. So yeah, I thought for basic knickers they were nice, and they were only £8, reduced from 12. Now I have to admit, I feel like Primark knickers have gone down in quality. I have bought many packs because I have been stretching my knickers out in pregnancy, so I need to replace them all. But yeah, the Primark ones I feel like become threadbare very, very quickly. So yeah, I'm now shopping in M&S, and I just thought, oh, whilst I'm in the outlet I might as well get some. Now for my littlest daughter, to be fair, her nan bought these. I did spot them, I was gonna get them for her, but then my nan wanted to treat her, so she got her them, which is really good actually that these were there, because they are the Disney brand. They are Frozen t-shirts, and they have Elsa on. And when she opened these in the bag, oh, she absolutely loved them. She started singing Let It Go. I've already mentioned that before. Whenever she sees like Elsa or Anna, yeah, she'll start singing Let It Go. So these were reduced from £14 to £7, and we got them in the size 2 to 3. Although she's only 1, she's a little bit bigger than my other daughter was, and also I just thought they would last. To be fair, I feel like my eldest would probably also fit in these because she does like Frozen as well. But yeah, so there's a pink one, and then there's also like a blue one that's just got lots of Elsa's on. So I thought they were really good for £7, £3.50 each. And I just thought, oh, they'll just do for going to nursery, just going to the shops and stuff, perfect for this time of year. There is also a Next outlet there as well. Now the adult section, I'll be honest with you, it just felt like a jumble sale. It was like TK Maxx but worse. It was, yeah, the layout was just awful, and there wasn't anything good. Like everything looked like weird cuts, or the sizes looked off. So I picked up a size 10 trousers, and they looked a lot bigger than a size 10, and I thought, oh, that's probably why they're in this store. But the kids section was really, really good. So for my eldest, we are going to a wedding at the end of June, and I picked up this dress, and I just thought, how beautiful is this? It feels super, super thick. I just thought, oh, it's just gorgeous. I love the lilac-y pink flowers with the yellow. She loved it when she saw it. It was £9, which I thought was a bargain. They had lots of formal dresses, but some of them were like £20, £22, and I thought, oh, I don't know if she's going to get her money's worth out of it. But then, yeah, my nan spotted this one, so went for this, and I just thought, oh, she's going to look so pretty in it. My nan did also treat my eldest to a skirt, a pink skirt. It was such a bargain. It was £3, and yeah, in fact, she's wearing it today. She's picked a little jumper out herself, and yeah, she's wearing it. Only in the house though, because unfortunately she's got chicken pox. From, I think she's got it from nursery. My youngest actually got it whilst we were on a holiday, which is a little bit of a nightmare. We thought it was, originally we just thought it was like a few spots from sun cream or just the heat and stuff, and obviously her skin not being used to it. But yeah, it turned out it was chicken pox, which was a bit tricky, because we did go to the doctors and she had to keep out the sun, couldn't put sun cream on. So yeah, but we still had a lovely time. And you know what, she also got conjunctivitis at the same time, and her eyes were so swollen, but she was so happy still. Honestly, she was just, she reacted better to illness than I do, so I just really need to take a leaf out of her. But when I get ill, for my youngest, because I didn't want to leave her out, I got her this top. I thought that was so pretty, so cute. So it's got little fairies on, and yeah, little frilly bit around the bottom. And this was only £4. What was it supposed to be? It was supposed to be 8, so it was half price. So yeah, got it in her normal size, 1.5 to 2. But I feel like this is quite big. I feel like it's going to last her a while. I mean, it is white, and obviously the age that she's at is probably not going to stay white for very long, but I couldn't resist it. The next store that, I don't know, I didn't go crazy actually. I could have gone crazy. It's the Beauty Outlet, and it's one of those where it just has like every shade of nail varnish, every shade of lipstick, bronzer, foundation you could think of, and I picked up a few bits from there. So the first item that I actually saw was this Essie nail varnish. Now the pink one that I've been wearing in these videos, I haven't got any on today because I've just not had time. The pink nail varnish that I wear is an Essie Express one. It's absolutely brilliant. It does chip obviously because it's nail varnish, but it takes, you know, longer than say Barry M or a more affordable brand, if you like. So I don't mind paying out for nail varnish, because I just, yeah, I hate doing my nails, but I feel very put together. And I think I paid about £10 or £11 for that pink one in Boots, whereas this one, which is a really lovely cream shade, was only £3.99. So the shade of this is actually called Lighten the Mood, and I had a very similar one by L'Oreal, and I just wore it until all of the nail varnish had gone, and I've been looking for another one, but I got that from TK Maxx, so I think they'd actually stopped that colour. But yeah, that is pretty much spot on, so I was so happy to find that. I did pick up my eldest just a little bath bomb, because I thought she'd love that, just because it, I mean, it literally looks like sprinkles. It's got a little flower on. I think that was 99p. And then, because I use my Primark lipstick, hold on, I'll show you which one it is. Primark lipstick is nearly gone. I have got that much left. I use it every day. I use it in all my videos. I do get lots of questions about what colour it is, and it is the Velvet Touch. It's the matte one. I put lip gloss over the top of it today, but I've not managed to go to Primark since coming back from holiday. So whilst I was there, I thought, oh, let me treat myself to something a little bit different, and it is the W7 brand, which is very affordable, and you can get it in B&M, I believe. Do Home Bargains do it now? They started bringing more makeup out, and I went for the shade the L Word, and it's a lovely sort of like very kind of browny. I thought it was going to be a little bit more pink actually. The tester looked a little bit more pink, but almost quite a natural colour. And I love a lipstick with a brown undertone. I just feel like that suits my skin and hair colour the most. So that was only £3.49 for that, and the packaging is lovely. It reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury, so I think that's where they got the inspiration from for this. And yeah, it's just a really lovely sort of like a brownie reddy pinky shade, so that's just spot on for me. That will probably be my new everyday lipstick. I just hope it lasts well. And then another thing that I got from the beauty outlet was this mascara. So again, it's just a W7 one. As you know, I don't like to spend loads of money on makeup. They did have some nice brands in there like Stila, they had Rimmel, they had like all the normal high street brands as well. But yeah, I don't like to spend loads of money on makeup because I feel like I can't tell the difference on my skin. I mean, if you're somebody who loves to like blend eyeshadows, really into it, I totally get it. But yeah, for me, I don't like to spend loads of money. So this, to be honest, I think was the cheapest one. It was £2.79 or £2.99, something like that. Now I love a big fat brush, and this is a really big fat brush, so I really like the look of this. And yeah, they have loads of W7 as well, and I really like that brand. They do loads of good stuff, and I have tried the eyeshadows from the palettes. They are good, they are worth it. But yeah, I'm very, very happy with all the beauty stuff that I got from that shop. They had so many different mascaras. They had like every sort of like mascara wand that you could think of, and yeah, I just went for this one because it was cheap and had a lovely big thick one, because my eyelashes, I swear it's from pregnancy. I used to have lovely long eyelashes to the point like when I curled them, they were literally like right up here, like nearly at my eyebrow. Probably not that dramatic, but yeah, they were like super high, whereas now like I curl them and I feel like there's hardly anything there, and they've gone really, really thin. Hopefully as the hormones settle back down, they'll come back strong. But yeah, for now I need to get as much product on these eyelashes as possible. That's why I like a big fluffy wand. So yeah, I have tried the yellow one from W7, I can't remember what it's called, and that was quite good, apart from at the end of the day there would be some fallout. So I'm hoping that this one is a little bit better than that. But do you know what, it didn't bother me too much. And to be fair, I'm one of those people, especially when I'm in the office, you're having a stressful day, just touching your face. So I'll go with a face like this in the morning, and then literally by the end of the day I've got no makeup on at all. I do have a body care shop, which I do like body care. My brother-in-law's got me a big bag of body care stuff one Christmas, and they had micellar water. It's probably one of the best micellars that I've ever used, and it had lovely like eye cream and stuff in, and my skin has gotten very dry. I think it's because obviously I've been tanning a lot on holiday. I literally tan every night on holiday, and the problem with tan is it dries your skin out. I'm not the biggest fan of lotion, especially if it doesn't sink in well, and I saw this, which is a body oil, and I thought, well, maybe that will dry in a little bit quicker. It was £10, but I thought, I feel like oil goes really fast. I feel like I'm not going to use this up very quickly. In fact, I didn't smell it. Let's give it a sniff test to see what it's like. Oh, it's just very subtle. I can't really explain this now. It's just very, very subtle. But yeah, I just thought that would be nice because I've got dry elbows, dry knees, and even just like on my arms and my legs and stuff, I've just gone super, super dry. So yeah, I thought that would help. And it's not something that I would normally buy. Like if I was in town, I probably wouldn't just pop into the body shop. So yes, I'm happy that I got that. I do have a Cadbury shop, so I did have to go in, of course. And I could have spent a fortune. However, it's actually cheaper to buy Cadbury's from B&M than it is to buy it from like the outlet store. So I didn't get any cream egg bags. They did have those, but I'd been into B&M a couple of weeks ago, and yeah, they're still in there, 3 for £1, and it worked out that you get an extra one free in B&M compared to the outlet store. So yeah, I didn't get any of them, but I did pick up a huge bag of these misshapes, because last time I went to the designer outlet a couple of years ago, we got a bag of these, and I thought it'd just be like broken bits of dairy milk and, you know, stuff like that. But it turned out to be a massive bag of strawberry creams and caramel, which are my 2 favourites from the Roses tin. So I'm hoping, it probably won't be, it'll probably be like all hard chewy toffee type, but I'm really hoping there's some strawberry creams in here. Or orange creams. I love orange creams as well. I couldn't go into Cadbury's without going into Lindt, and oh, I picked up this bar. These were by the front of the store, and I'll be honest with you, I was totally taken in by the gold shiny packaging. I don't know, it's just giving me like Willy Wonka golden ticket vibes. So I picked this up. I went for the hazelnut and milk chocolate one. They had hazelnut and raisin, or they had plain milk chocolate, but we do love hazelnut. So I went for that, and I just thought that'd be nice to share over a film. This was £5.65, but yeah, you do get a lot of chocolate. It is heavy for that. Do you know what? It'd just be good to go up there to get a few birthday bits in to like store, because they had so many lovely bits in the Body Shop that were a lot cheaper than actually when you go into town and get them as well. And they do also accept like your normal Body Shop card as well. I think I earned a £5 just from buying that, of course with like all the other stuff that I've bought in the past, but yeah, I did get a voucher out of it. And then the final item, oh no, actually I've got two items from the work. So I got this, actually no, sorry, my nan got this for my eldest because she treated the youngest to the t-shirt. So she got a unicorn book with these like fluorescent pens in, and it was only £3. But yeah, lots of colouring. We get through so many colouring books, and this is just a bit different because it's fluorescent and it's quite dark. Do you see what I mean? So yeah, just a little bit different for her. And then I can't grab it because it's downstairs, and I know my hubby is keeping an eye on them, and if I go down and grab the book they'll start kicking off. But I got is it Meals by Mitch? I think he's on I swear he's on TikTok. I swear some of the meals that I've actually done before are by him. But yeah, it was on offer. I think it was supposed to be £18 or £19 this book, and I got it for £9.50. And I'm trying loads of different recipes at the minute. I'm getting a lot off Asda Living. There's so many nice ones on there. Totally recommend it if you haven't tried them. And then yeah, they just seem like really easy basic meals. They are meals for under a £5 for a family of 4. But what I liked about them, and it probably is because it's targeted for under a £5, is that there's not loads of ingredients, not loads of weird and wonderful ones, stuff that I probably already have in the cupboard anyway, and they're quite simple to do. So I picked that up, and there is so many good recipes in there that I'm going to try. Yeah, and I'm very looking forward to it. In fact, last night I just sat down with like a cup of tea and some chocolate, and I was just going through the recipe book picking out which ones I wanted. There's a lentil dal that I really want to try. I want to try the curries, which is, I don't know, lentil dal is a curry, but yeah, I don't make lots of curry because I'm not very good with different spices and things. And then there's a really nice looking mint and pea pasta. I just thought they'd be so fresh for summer, so yeah, I'm going to try that as well. But yeah, there's so many more that I really enjoyed going to the designer outlet, and I would totally recommend going if you just want to mooch around. I feel like they've really upped the game. So even when we used to go when I was younger, like when I was still living at home when I was a kid, it wasn't as nice as it is now. I feel like they're copying the London, oh, what's it called, you know, the designer place where all the influence go, and they've got like Chanel and Dior and stuff, and it always looks so nice. I feel like they are kind of like copying that vibe, but they're not going for like the big super expensive designers. They've still got like Nike and Adidas, and they've got nicer stuff like, is it Carvela and Kurt Geiger. I only got some shoes from there actually, but they didn't look right on. Do you know sometimes you put them on, they don't look right? Well, that was like that. But yeah, it was really nice. It's just a nice shopping experience, which I feel like I'm missing. Like the town near me, there's so many shops unfortunately that have closed now, and I'm gutted because I've always enjoyed going on the weekend and just having a mooch around town, even if I'm not spending money. So yeah, it's just a nice place to go and have a walk if you like me, just like window shopping and having a browse. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.